One of the issues reported on this vehicle was loud creaking sounds whenever you accelerated or braked. Decided to do some investigation today to get to the root of it, and this is what I discovered. What you're looking at here is heavy-duty frame members, front suspension. This frame support basically holds on the entire front suspension, control arms, and engine. You can see here there's two bolts on the driver's side here. Both of them are backed out about 3/4 of an inch. Note the rust on the threads, so you can tell they've been that way for some time since the engine reinstall. Over on the passenger side, you note the same thing. Both bolts backed out 3/4 inch. Primary frame support. I've removed one of the frame support bolts to give you an idea and a better view of the rust that's on it, apparent on the threads all the way down. You can see the rust all the way up the thread. That shows that this bolt has been exposed on the threads. It has not been tightened for some time.